Hello friends, this is Prashant. I am going to explain you today a very simple program related to matrix. As this program is related to the matrices, I have taken this program and I will explain you the very briefly within a short period of a time. Okay, stay tuned to me. Now here we goes. Here we have firstly defined the two header files. This header file contains the different functions so that these functions get executed very fastly. It's like example, stdio.h containing this main function, conio.h containing this clr function, and the getch function which we have shown at the bottom of this program. Okay, now coming to our program. This is our program. Starting from here, main, void, main. You can do your void or you can avoid your void also. Okay, so now we are first of all opening and closing of our program is written and opening and closing in between the opening and closing brackets, curly brackets. Okay, so first problem we have written here clr. What is this clr? It implies clear screen. What it does, it actually does, it erases the screen, it clears the screen when you execute the program many times, or if you run the program now, then it might have stored the result of the previous screen, might have stored the result of the previous iteration, so that should be erased. This clear screen do that work so that we get a neat and a clean screen. Okay, here we are defining the two variables I and j. I indicate the rows of matrices and j indicate the column of the matrices. And now we coming to defining the four matrices A, B, C, D. The first matrix A and B, which should be inserted by the user, and the C and D matrices are not for user. These matrices are for our convenience, so as to have the addition store in a C matrices and a subtraction store in a D matrices. Okay, so now here coming our program, that is the reading of the first matrices. It is a very useful, very important to read the matrices from the user, and we are requesting user to enter the element of the matrices, and we are reading these matrices using the scanf function. That is, we are storing these matrices with the scanf. Here this shows the storing of the matrices at a memory location. Okay, we are using two for loops. This indicate that for ith row and for jth column we are storing the value. Let for I equal to 0 we are executing it for first time, then j equal to 0, then we are storing 0 element, then control is coming back to this for loop, then j is becoming 1, so this element is becoming 0 1, so coming back to j becoming j2 0 2, like that. Now I becoming 1, so 1 0, like this for loop is running, and we are storing all these 9 elements. Okay, now secondly we are coming to the displaying of our first matrix. How to display our first matrix? Now for this we are using the two for loops. For the first for loop is a row and second for loop indicating column, and directly straight away we are showing here elements with a printf function. But only change we have done here, we have inserted here a printf slash, and what it shows, as we know matrices are arranged and row wise and column wise. If we don't insert the slash, and then it will show in a single row. So to have good look about a matrix, we are using here printf slash and function, and here also slash t for displaying it a good look about the matrix element. Now same way we are reading here the second matrix and displaying here the second matrix. This is the line to have the second matrix. Okay, now here we go. We are coming again next most important part of this program. The soul of the program is addition and subtraction. Okay, first of all we will see the addition. Here we are doing one thing, that is we are showing addition and doing addition at the same time. Same way we are doing subtraction and they are printing at the same time. Instead of using two for loop for addition and displaying its result, two for loops for subtracting and displaying its result, four for loops, so that we can compromise it within a two for loop. For loop means for within a for. Okay, so here we are displaying it. For displaying, I know you know very well now that we are using a print slash n, so as to get a matrix view, and print slash t, so as to get these two are used for the matrix view. And we are doing here a simple matrix addition. So I will explain his for loop working. Now let us consider that I equal to 0, that is a 0th row. Now we are coming j equal to 0, that is 0 column. Then we are adding a00, b00, that is 00 element of a and 00 element of b is added, and it is stored in the 00th element of the c. And now straight away we are displaying here 00th element of the c. Okay, now j becoming 1, then 01th element of a is added with the 01th element of b and stored in the 01th element of c. So that element is the printed straight away. So these for loops is running on. After going to 3, this condition is becoming false, and we come back from this for loop to this for loop. And here now I becoming 2, I becoming 1, and we are doing the successive additions. Okay. Now for the subtraction also we are doing the same. Only the thing which we are doing here is using this. This is the only change which we are using in a subtraction. Okay. Now, and we are giving here a get ch for what this get ch is used. This get ch is used to store the program in the turbo c. Okay, now I will show how to run this program. Pressing the control F9, you can go to the run window. Okay, now here it's showing the enter element of the first matrix. Oh sorry, it's mistake, my grammatical mistake. Elements should be okay. Now I am inserting the elements. Like what element I should insert. Okay, I will go for state numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You should give a space in between the two numbers. If you are not giving a space in between the two numbers, then straight away it will read the whole number as a single number. So for that purpose you should give in between the space. Okay, I am pressing enter. So here we go. It's showing here the element of the first matrices, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, if you remember the for loop over there, I have explained you. Then it's showing that for I equal to 0, j equal to 0 is the first element. Then j is becoming 1, that is second element. J is becoming 2, that is third element. And j is becoming 3, so that statement is getting false. And we are getting back from that for loop to I equal to 1, and straight away we are executing the program. We are storing the values, and same way we are displaying the value. If we are not used there the slash n function, then this 1 2 3, they are 1 2 3 are separated as it is shown, but this 4 5 6 should not be in a second line, it would be in a same line. Okay, then that slash n is entering a cursor to the next line. Okay, if we are not used there a slash t, then what would have happened? Then if we are not inserted there a slash t, then 1 2, there should not be space in between 1 2 3. Rather than saying space, it is a tab. Okay, now I am inserting the second elements of the matrices, like reverse, 9 8 7 6 4 no 5 space 4 space 3 space 2 space 1. Okay, press enter. Here we goes. Now it shows the second element of the matrices as we have inserted, and following that for loop, as you can go back and see in my videos. Okay, here we go. Now the addition of the two matrices are, what is the addition of the two matrices? Just adding the first person element, 9 plus 1 10, 2 plus 8 10, 7 plus 3 10, 4 plus 6 10, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 4 10, 7 plus 3 10, 8 plus 2 10, 9 plus 1 10. Okay, what about subtraction? 1 minus 9 minus 8, 2 minus 8 minus 2. Oh, we are going the correct program. Oh wow, very good. Okay, for your great information, I have this program on my blogspot. So for you, visit my blogspot, get help for you .blogspot.com or .in, whatever in Google, you go there, or I will give it in a description also. And also please subscribe for different videos, for different things, so as to have about the programming language, about the C language, or different related to education. Whatever I will have, I will share with you. Please stay tuned and please subscribe. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.